Hello fellow gardeners. Well, no, I'm not in the garden today. I'm in the house, and this is something new to see me in a apron, I know, but I've got my friend here. This is Judy Stepp. She's got her apron on and we're in her house, and we thank her for giving us the opportunity to come in and help her make some pimento cheese. She's going to be our pimento cheese maker, and we're sorry we left the recipe off of the video the other day, but we're going to go through this time and we're going to make the pimento cheese. We're going to show you how it's done, and we're going to put the recipe on and let you make your own, because this is some good eating. Judy, what are we going to use today to use a recipe? What we're going to use to make our pimento cheese out of? Can you tell us what all it includes?
Well, I'm going to do a double batch today, and I have these 2 packages of cream cheese that I'm going to use, and I have about 3 of the large pimento peppers, and I have 2 onions here that I'm going to put in, and we're going to saute them in avocado oil, and then when we put them in the mixer or the chopper, we're going to chop them up, and we're going to put salt and pepper, and we're going to leave the garlic out of them today because we have some people that does not like garlic.
Okay, the garlic is optional, what she says, and let me tell you, not everybody's going to have avocado oil. The only reason we're using avocado oil today is because my doctor told me the other day that he wanted me to start using some avocado oil to help get some good cholesterol in my body. So I bought this avocado oil. We're using it. You can use olive oil, which will do just as good. That's what the recipe says. So Judy's going to show you she's going to go get her sauteed peppers and bring it over, I think, now. Yeah. We're going to put it in the... You'll bring them over and put them in my...
We have these sauteed peppers and onions that I put in the skillet and sauteed, and we're going to put them in the chopper, and we're going to get ready to chop them so that we can get them all mixed up with the cream cheese. And you can mix the cream cheese in by hand if you'd like, or you can use a mixer, or you can put them right here in the chopper, which is what we did. We learned that we could do that the other day.
But the only thing you want to make sure you do, you want to make sure you put the blades in before you put it all in, or it won't chop it very well, okay? Okay, I'm going to go away from the camera for just a minute, and I'm going to chop these up, and then we'll be right back with you. Okay, we chopped our peppers here, and you see what they look like now in our chopper. And Judy's got a couple of 8-ounce cartons of cottage cheese, cream cheese here, and she's going to put that in there. And folks, don't make it the way I say it. Make it the way the recipe says it, please. And she's going to put this in with her chopper, and we're going to see if we can stir that up that way, make it a little quicker than doing it by hand. It's optional. You can mix it by hand, or you can mix it in this chopper, either way.
This is the way we did it last time, and it worked pretty well.
Okay, she's got the cheese in with it. We're going to go leave for just a minute and try to get this mixed up. We'll be back to show you in just a moment.
Boy, that looks good.
Hold it up and let them see what it looks like, Judy.
This is our finished product right here.
Ooh, that quick?
We haven't
That quick. It was so easy.
We haven't actually put the salt and pepper in it
No,
yet.
that's right. We got to put some salt and
We're
pepper.
going to do that after we put it in our bowl.
Okay.
We're going to put it in a bowl, and we've got to add salt and pepper to taste.
Set it in the ice box, or in the refrigerator, I should say. It's not an ice box anymore. It was an ice box when I was a child. That's a refrigerator, I guess. Anyway, you put it in a bowl, set it in there overnight, and the next day, it's hard to quit eating it. Take a little cracker and put some pimento cheese on it, and you talk about good. It is good. Okay, folks, if you like this video, punch the button, ring the bell, and subscribe. We may make you some more of these videos if you like this one.
I was going to taste it.
Oh, okay. She's going to see if it tastes any good.
They're good.
Good deal.
All
right.
salt and pepper. You're going to have salt and pepper.